"The world is the world, and Kythira is a world of its own," said the Venetians. Kythira paints a masterpiece of enchanting landscapes and timeless allure. Nestled on the southern coast of the idyllic island, there existed a hidden gem that whispered tales of centuries gone by. Paleochora. The villagers, seeking refuge from pirate invasions, established their homes and places of worship amidst the protective embrace of the surrounding hills. Away from the urban glow, Kythira offers a celestial spectacle, inviting astrophotographers to capture the intricate dance of constellations above. The first strokes of the night reveal a sky studded with stars, glittering like diamonds against the inky backdrop. With the absence of city lights, the Milky Way stretches boldly across the heavens, painting a cosmic masterpiece. The world is the world, and Kythira is a world of its own.